What is up and everything, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys my little bits and pieces of our kayaking trip down the Illinois River. Now, I wanted to do a lot of videos and I had a brand new underwater camera, but it didn't work through half of it. It's the first time I actually got to use it, and a bunch of the images I got are just white screens. So a lot to figure out there, so a lot of missed opportunities and a lot of things I wanted to show you that I can't. But that being said, I still got some pretty cool pictures, some pretty cool images, so let's go to the video and you can check them all out there. There it is, guys. We're going on a 9-mile canoeing stretch here. We're going on the All-American canoe, or All-American floats here in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. And I can't wait to get on this river. I'm probably not gonna be able to film like the actual canoeing, but anytime we stop, I'll try and show you guys some cool stuff, get some cool pictures. So let's go on an adventure. Still just waiting to get in and to get picked up and take off. We're gonna come and show you guys how up the river is. Hey, what is the river? Or which river is it?
Illinois.
The Illinois River. There we go.
I think it's either Illinois or Elk. I can't honestly remember.
I'll figure it out. Yeah. See how cold the water is.
I think it's changed from the flooding.
Maybe. Oh, fuck. Man, that was cold. That's cold. Feels amazing, but it's cold. Look at that, though. Nice crystal clear. Look how clear the water is. And I did bring my waterproof camera, so I'll be able to, if we see something fun, show you guys. But yeah, this is awesome. Yes, the ride that we're in is a convertible school bus. This is gonna be fun. Alright guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me on any of the videos with my camera that I can take underwater. But if you can't, I mean, we did see some, or I don't know what you're going to be able to see, to be honest. I haven't really got to pull video off of that one yet. So I just wanted to show you guys the river. We got some people going behind us, some people way in front of us, trying not to get people in the clips. But I just want to show you guys how pretty this place is. This is an awesome trip. Look at the trees. I want to show you guys this. Look at all of these tadpoles that I found in this river. Look at them all. This whole eddy, like this whole little eddy in here is just full of them. That is incredible. All right, y'all. So since I don't know what exactly is going to be audible in my other camera that I keep using to film and take pictures on, or how good they're going to turn out, I just want to show you guys in this one every chance I get the river here and the pretty sights. The other thing I want to show you guys is, if you guys can see them, like those specks, look at these big old fish. Look at this one right there. And the water's clear enough. I think these things are carp, and hopefully in my underwater camera you can get like a better view of them. But look at that, and they're everywhere. But I did want to get over there and show you guys that waterfall thing, so I'm going to turn my camera off and see if I can get close enough. Alright, luckily the water ain't too deep, but I want to show you guys this. Let's see how close we can get. But I'm going in. If I go in, I'll lose my phone again. It'll be like the third video this year where I've had to take my phone apart because of something. Yeah, can you guys hear that water? I know you guys can see. Look how fast this water's moving compared to me. Look at that. Whoa, look how big that one is. Can you guys even see it? That thing is huge. I'm like right on top of it. I don't know if you guys can be able to see it. That thing is giant. Look at it. Holy crap. Oh, look at that one. Dang. Look how big these fish are. There's like little ones over here too, but holy crap. All right. Let my camera. That's as far as I'm willing to go, guys. Look at that. There's water, and it's falling from the top right there, and it's splashing down. This is like very pretty. Look at all the water that's falling. That's so cool. Huh? Yeah. Okay. These guys are like, now more people are getting stuck. They knocked them out, now they're stuck too. Wait, hold on. Here comes the third one. Oh, they may get it. Nope, they're in the tree. There goes, those people did okay, but those guys over there, they are stuck. That can happen to anybody. We're almost done with the trip. I filmed like the majority of like what was cool to see. We kind of just hit some dry patches, so. Yeah, we're a little over halfway, so we'll still see. There's still plenty of mountains and stuff to go look at. So. All right. Look at this waterfall over here, guys. Look at this thing right here. Waterfall. Where's it coming from? Oh, it's just running in. Well, that's super cool. Look how clear this water is, guys. I'm gonna have a lot of freeze frames to do. You got some good photos. What are you doing? Look at that fish. You guys see those bass swimming? I don't know if you can. I really hope you guys can hear me through that case. It's gonna sound muffled, but it'll be worth it. Go to the right. Look at that big old tree. There's a heron flying. The tree? Yeah. That's crazy. There must be just enough roots in the ground for it to stay wet. Yeah. Alright, time to wrap this thing up. I don't know if you can see any of that, but I'm at least trying, guys. Or if you can hear me. So, it's gonna be a fun day. Whew. Well, I survived my first set of rapids. Yeah, I mean, they weren't big rapids, but I'm not expecting too much. Look at these trees, though. Look at all this stuff. All the way down that river. Yeah, it is. I just want to show them like how pretty the river is, but I also don't want to run out of cameras. So we got a few hours left. Yeah, just got some really cool stuff. I have a lot of like paddling edits to do. Look at the cave under there. this for a minute. This is just pretty territory. So, I just want to let you guys know, I did fall in trying to help some people. But I did fall in trying to help some people here, and I ended up capsizing. But we're going to watch these guys go. Oh, they made it through a lot better than I was expecting. Well guys, I found out the new camera floats and never help people on the river. But check it out. Oh crap, I can't see nothing. There's all the water marks on the There we go. Should be a little bit better. It might be fogging up. It's still just a peaceful little float. I know I'm saying that a lot.